Today I'm making a quick video showing how to replace the cabin filter on a 2017 Volkswagen Gti. First thing you want to do is open your glove box. Then if you look up here, you'll see these little tabs, this one here and that one there. With the glove box pushed up slightly, you can get your finger in here and push that upwards like that. And you can do that on both sides. And then with that like that, the whole thing kind of flips down and you can see your where your air filter goes right there. There's your access panel. So I can usually just get in here with my fingers and push these little tabs down like that. There's just these three of them. And then you can flip this straight down like this and lift it up out of there. And there's your cabin filter. So pay attention to the direction of flow, points downwards. You can grab this right out of here like this. And take your new one, stick that right back in there the same way. Hook that bottom edge on like that. It goes into the little slots. I'm sorry, I'm using my one hand here and it's... And then you can just flip this thing back up. Theoretically. There. So make sure these are all clipped back in place. And then when you flip this back upwards, you don't have to worry about those little tabs at all. You can kind of just push it up and it'll jump past them on its own and you're good to go. So that's it. Thanks for watching.